Are you aware that 90% of the world's millionaires have one thing in common that sets them apart from the rest of the population? And it's not their income. In this video, you'll learn the biggest differences between rich and poor people and how you can use this knowledge to change your financial situation immediately. But first, subscribe to Success Invest and start transforming your financial mindset right now. According to research, one of the main reasons people struggle financially is because they're stuck in a cycle of limiting beliefs and habits. Many people have a hard time making ends meet, living paycheck to paycheck, and accumulating debt. But is there something that sets rich people apart from the rest of the population? First, let's start with the obvious. Rich people think differently. They have a different mindset when it comes to money and finances. While poor people often focus on immediate gratification and short-term gains, rich people think long-term. They understand that building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. They prioritize saving and investing over consuming, and they're willing to delay gratification to achieve their financial goals. Another key difference between rich and poor people is their spending habits. Rich people spend their money differently. They prioritize investments, education, and experiences that will appreciate in value or increase their earning potential. Poor people, on the other hand, often waste their money on liabilities, such as cars and electronics, that will depreciate in value over time. A key strategy used by rich people is financial planning. Rich people create budgets, set financial goals, and prioritize their spending based on their goals. They also create financial safety nets and diversify their investments to minimize risk. Studies show that the wealthy are more likely to plan financially. According to a 2020 survey by the American College of Financial Services, 51% of millionaires have a written financial plan, compared to just 6% of non-millionaire households. As stated by Thomas J. Stanley, author of The Millionaire Next Door, the wealthy invest their money, while the poor use their money to get entertained. Now, here are some practical tips you can apply to change your financial situation. 1. Start by tracking your spending and creating a budget. Identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses and prioritize saving and investing. 2. Invest in yourself. Develop skills that will increase your earning potential, such as learning a new language or taking a certification course. 3. Diversify your investments. Consider investing in real estate, stocks, or bonds to minimize risk and maximize returns. 4. Create a financial safety net. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an easily accessible savings account. Now, here are some practical tips you can apply to change your financial situation. A key strategy utilized by affluent individuals is financial planning, which serves as the cornerstone of their economic success. Rich people create meticulous budgets, define and set tangible financial objectives, and prioritize their spending based on their carefully outlined goals. They also create robust financial safety nets and diversify their investments to minimize risk, thereby shielding themselves from unforeseen market fluctuations and downturns. By adopting this approach, they ensure that their fiscal trajectories remain unwavering and purposeful. As a result, creating an informed and well-structured financial roadmap is crucial to navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of personal finance. One of the primary reasons why individuals from affluent backgrounds often experience a sense of financial freedom and peace of mind is that they exhibit an unwavering commitment to their fiscal plans and visions. They never lose sight of their long-term objectives, and in doing so, cultivate a remarkable level of fiscal discipline and responsibility. When confronted with financial setbacks or obstacles, they neither panic nor become disillusioned with their approach. Instead, they reassess their circumstances, reformulate new strategies as needed, and continue moving forward with unwavering purpose and determination. By adopting this steadfast mindset, they develop and reinforce positive habits and behaviors that eventually yield substantial returns on their financial investments. Furthermore, affluent individuals prioritize financial education, continuously acquiring new skills, knowledge, and insights that enable them to navigate uncharted financial landscapes with confidence and aplomb. This emphasis on personal growth and professional development is a critical component of their financial framework, and one that plays a pivotal role in their sustained economic success. Moreover, Individuals who possess a higher net worth typically approach financial decision-making from a highly informed and rational vantage point. When considering potential investments or large-scale financial commitments, they never act impulsively or on gut instinct alone. Rather, they carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits associated with each choice, never losing sight of their broader financial goals or long-term vision. In doing so, they remain completely focused on maximizing returns on their financial assets, always striving to extract the greatest possible value from their hard-earned savings and investments. Furthermore, affluent individuals often understand that risk management plays a critical role in the maintenance of their financial safety nets. They therefore take proactive steps to mitigate risk whenever possible, aggressively seeking to minimize their exposure to financially uncertain or speculative ventures. By continually identifying and capitalizing on more lucrative and less hazardous opportunities, they systematically bolster their financial foundations and secure the bedrock of their long-term financial well-being. Conversely, by studiously avoiding high-risk investments or questionable financial propositions, they also fortify their economic futures against unforeseen downturns or volatile market shifts. Ultimately, the financial strategies employed by high-net-worth individuals often revolve around comprehensive diversification. This strategy involves allocating investments across various asset classes, such as real estate, stocks, bonds, or other investments, in order to minimize overall risk exposure. By spreading investments across different sectors, these individuals can insulate themselves from the impact of market fluctuations, thereby shielding their assets from potential losses. It is essential for individuals seeking to replicate the financial success of high-net-worth individuals to undertake diligent research and thorough analysis to determine the optimal asset allocation strategy based on their unique financial objectives, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. A tailored approach enables affluent individuals to strike a delicate balance between risk and potential returns, allowing them to make informed decisions and drive consistent growth in their investment portfolios over the long term. Additionally, maintaining a diversified investment portfolio also equips high-net-worth individuals with the flexibility to adjust their investment strategy as needed in response to changes in market conditions or unforeseen events. Furthermore, a critical component of high-net-worth individuals' financial success lies in their ability to cultivate a multidisciplinary team of financial professionals. These teams typically comprise expert financial advisors, attorneys, accountants, or other specialists who collaborate to provide comprehensive guidance on an array of financial matters, including investment strategy, tax planning, and estate planning. By drawing upon the diverse expertise of this multidisciplinary team, high-net-worth individuals are empowered to make informed decisions regarding their financial resources, thereby optimizing their financial performance and safeguarding their assets for future generations. In turn, by leveraging the specialized knowledge and extensive experience of these financial professionals, affluent individuals can develop a sophisticated understanding of complex financial concepts and navigate intricate regulatory frameworks with greater confidence and precision. Ultimately, this strategic collaboration empowers high-net-worth individuals to build and maintain robust financial foundations that drive lasting prosperity. In parallel with the pursuit of financial knowledge and sophisticated wealth management strategies, individuals with high net worth frequently emphasize the importance of cultivating a long-term perspective when it comes to wealth management. Rather than succumbing to short-term market volatility or speculation, these individuals focus on securing stable and sustainable returns that facilitate enduring wealth growth. To achieve this goal, they often set clear and consistent financial objectives, ensuring that their investment strategy is well aligned with these priorities. This enables high-net-worth individuals to separate themselves from short-term market fluctuations and concentrate on driving systematic progress toward their long-term financial goals. Furthermore, by emphasizing prudence and discipline in their financial decision-making, affluent individuals can mitigate the emotional pitfalls commonly associated with navigating complex and high-pressure financial situations. Now, here are some practical tips you can apply to change your financial situation. A key strategy used by affluent individuals is thorough financial planning. They create meticulous budgets, establish clear financial objectives, and allocate their expenditures based on a hierarchy of priorities that aligns with their goals. This proactive approach enables them to maintain a high degree of control over their financial resources, make informed investment decisions, and navigate complex financial situations with greater ease. Additionally, they also establish robust financial safety nets, comprised of readily accessible savings and liquid assets, to provide a bulwark against unforeseen financial setbacks. Furthermore, they deploy a diversified investment strategy to minimize risk, spreading their assets across a range of categories, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. This prudent approach helps to mitigate potential losses, while also positioning them to capitalize on new opportunities as they arise. One of the primary benefits of financial planning is that it allows individuals to clarify their financial objectives and prioritize their spending accordingly. By establishing clear goals, affluent individuals can focus their resources on what is truly important to them, whether that be saving for retirement, funding their children's education, or achieving a specific lifestyle. This clarity of purpose also enables them to avoid unnecessary expenses and allocate their resources more efficiently. For instance, by prioritizing needs over wants, they can distinguish between essential expenditures, such as housing and food, and discretionary expenditures, such as dining out or entertainment. This distinction enables them to rechannel resources from non-essential areas to areas that are more closely aligned with their goals. Moreover, financial planning also allows individuals to anticipate and prepare for potential financial challenges, such as recessions or unexpected expenses, thereby reducing the likelihood of financial distress. In addition to financial planning, affluent individuals also place a strong emphasis on cultivating a high degree of financial literacy. They recognize that achieving financial success requires a deep understanding of financial concepts and principles, such as compound interest, depreciation, and tax law. Therefore, they invest time and resources into educating themselves on personal finance, investing, and wealth management. This knowledge enables them to navigate complex financial situations with greater confidence, make informed investment decisions, and avoid costly mistakes. For instance, by understanding the concept of compound interest, they can appreciate the importance of saving and investing early, as well as the benefits of leveraging low-interest debt to finance high-yielding investments. Furthermore, financial literacy also empowers them to evaluate financial products and services more critically, such as comparing the fees and terms associated with different investment vehicles or credit cards. The importance of having a well-diversified investment portfolio cannot be overstated. Affluent individuals recognize that investing is a critical component of achieving financial success, and they take a thoughtful and informed approach to building their investment portfolios. They avoid putting all their eggs in one basket, instead opting for a diversified mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles. This approach allows them to spread risk, reduce exposure to market volatility, and increase the potential for long-term returns. For instance, by combining low-risk investments, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks, with higher-risk investments, such as growth stocks or real estate, they can create a portfolio that balances risk and return. Moreover, they also continually monitor and adjust their portfolios to ensure that they remain aligned with their evolving financial objectives, risk tolerance, and market conditions. This proactive approach enables them to stay on track with their financial goals, while also adapting to changing circumstances. If you want to start building wealth and changing your financial situation, you need to start thinking and acting like a rich person. It starts with adopting the right mindset and habits, and being consistent in your efforts. Apply these practical tips and start on the path towards financial freedom today. If you want to learn more about personal finance and investing, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.